Hello everyone. Today we're gonna design a pipe through which water is flowing. So this is COMSOL 5.1. Start model wizard. Select 2D. Now select fluid flow. In the drop down, select single phase flow. Then laminar flow. Add. Then study. Select stationary. You just have to study stationary results. Select done. So this is our graphics window. This setting, model builder, and these are the panels. Start geometry, or from here also you can start. Select any, here select rectangle. Make any shape you want. Arbitrarily I am drawing this. Again select rectangle. Now select circle. Draw the shape. Then select rectangle again. Okay. So here we can see form union option is automatically detected. So build all. So with this whole geometry will be a single object. Now material. Right click on it. Add material. Add a liquid and gases in the drop down. Select liquid, and to the last select water. It is automatically selected as water. Now this is laminar flow. Everything is fine. Don't do anything with this. Fluid properties. These all are just also fine. Initial value. Fluid velocity field is 0. That is, water was not moving initially. Walls. Here we can see this is the completely closed object. So let's give it a opening, that is inlet, from where the water comes. This is inlet, and this is the setting panel for inlet. Select an input boundary. Let's select this one. And this one is selected. This one is one. This boundary is number 1. Now give it a velocity 0.001 meter per second, that is 1 millimeter per second. Again click laminar flow, right click on it, select output. Let's give it 2 output, one here, select, and one here. So these 2 are our output. Here also these equation and all is just fine. Here, then laminar outflow, then velocity. So select pressure condition 0, that's 0 Pascal. So everything is just fine. Let's study. Right click on it, compute. So here we can see the most of the water is going away from this circular path, as it's more convenient to the water, more area. Here in the result we can also add streamlines. So to add streamlines, right click on the velocity. In the results tab, right click on the velocity, select streamline. This is the setting panel for streamline. The rest everything is fine. Select on selected boundary. This was pre-selected already. So this is the point, this is the boundary from where lines or the streamline start. Total, let's take 20 number of streamlines. Okay, type of line, color black, lot. So here we can see Let's zoom it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 streamlines are going from this path, and rest 15 are going from this path. So in this way you can experiment with different objects you have. If you want to change your object, like if you want to reduce this one path, so click on the geometry panel, select rectangle, make a arrow shape, this shape. Now to reduce this shape from this circle, select boolean and partition, select difference. Now objects to be added, select all the objects that is to be added. 3, 4. These all subjects have to be added, and the objects to be subtracted. So here all the objects to be subtracted. So activate this one and select this. Rest everything is fine. Build out. So this has trimmed our circle, and now let's see the result. So click on the study, right click on it, compute. So here, as we can see, now most of the lines are coming from this path, and also its output area is also reduced. That's also all the lines are coming from this path. So as we can again we can edit it's the output valve, that is outlet. We can edit this also. The outlet, we can select this and deselect this. Now let's see the result. Study, right click, compute. See here, let's see the streamline. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 streamlines are going from this side, and 11 are going from this side. So you can see here 4 water is going. So in this way we can experiment with different objects easily. Okay, thank you, bye.